Hello, hi viewers. Let's see how to edit contact us page in WordPress. This is the mostly last page of the website. Mostly websites last page. That page name is contact us. There is all companies contacts are will show here. Companies web show here. Contact us form show here. Now we are going to briefly discuss this a contact us page, how to create and manage the contact us role. Let's move to our dashboard and see how to manage this. Move this, press the dashboard, there is pages. If you have contact us page, then press the contact us page with Elementor. If you don't have, press the add new button and enter the additionals like a page name etc and create the button. Now at this time we are click on contacts, edit with Elementor. Let's see. Different form available in this pages dashboard. This will be take some time. We at this time we have some need to some work. There is a WP form. I want to change the email address of that forms, like this is no need, like this email address, customer email address, change to WP forms. All forms, please wait, system is loading the page. This is also be loading the page of contact us page. WP form loads, request for callback contact us. Both entries we are going to edit because there is we edit the just email address and other things we don't need for special setting fields, settings, notifications. Here then we are going to change our email address. Send to email address where we enter address. Here then we are going to show info@webexpertca.com. This is our website. Change. Other thing we don't need empty callback form. Just things for save. And now we are going to previous screen because we also need here edit change some email address, notification, just email address, change this email address. No, at the next time simple contact form from we am going to change info@of webexpertca.com. Let's save. This benefit is when customer tests this, he will receive the email. He will be happy when he will receive the email. Close this. Now this will be working. Get in touch. Is there we first of all I am going to change this heading style. Done. But this is the too much small. I am going to small typography. Is there we are create the increase the size little bit more. Yes, this is the perfect. And copy the setting and paste the style are be copied successfully. Our contacts also need to modify. Well done. Is there we are enter our about us data that we are copy from the home page. That data we are written in, and all of these websites military are working fine and working well fine. copy all the data and paste here. Done successfully. All data are add successfully. Set the line justified. This is some each of the we offer the best services. SERVICES to our customer. Please use contact us number below form to contact us. Done. Is there we need to address of customer but at this time we have no complete address of the customer. We just enter the city name of the customer. As there we enter the phone number of the customer. This is the number of customers. I enter there, but this company have two numbers, not only one number. Second number we are put. First of all, I am going to copy the second number. Second number is this. Copy. Everything is everything is do carefully. Duplicate this. This will be duplicate. Press here and change the enter the next number. Very easy, very fast way to develop website in WordPress. Next is email address required. Email address, copy email address, paste email address. Paste email address. Web address. We are going to add email address. This email address .com. We remove this .s and r sards and siding.com. Wow, wonderful. This is our contact us form. Looks pretty. Our contact us now. This is the map. Is there we enter the address of that customer. This will be shown map. If anyone need to contact with map and find the location of customer, is there we enter the city name and country name. The system will be show the data. Therefore this is complete our site. This is our contact us page, but at this time we have this error. I am going to exit the dashboard. Move here. Is there we are going to logo setting. Is there we remove the logo. After this system will be detect the default logo for the security. Now I press the contact us page, click. Wait please. Done successfully. Done. Form our contacts. This is our form. Done. But why this area show the background color is blue? Let's try to manage this. Thanks for your watching our video. Please subscribe our channel if you need to watch more videos like this, how to use WordPress and extra. Thanks for your watching. Thanks.